I only counted 4 waves while we were in this region, so I wanted one more, okay? And we got that last wave, okay? And why? So now we all know that counting Elliott waves during a move is challenging. However, there are certain things that you can use as confirmation for your count. So if you're looking specifically at whether or not something is a reversal, here is the confirmation that it is at least a reversal of the wave that you just printed. So if this is a final wave here, right here, we see that the reversal retraced almost the entirety of that wave. Furthermore, reversals usually target the fourth wave of the larger move. So here we dropped about 5%. Now the reversal gave you about the same, and it targeted that fourth wave. So in my book, according to my experience, this is a legitimate reversal. Hello, everyone. My name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is January 7th, 2022, and it's time to go long. Today is the day I believe that the crypto market will turn around. Turn around in that we will no longer be dumping and we will see some positive price action. And here is why. If you're subscribed to the channel, you'll know that yesterday I called for one more drop to approximately 41K because I only counted 4 waves here. I only counted 4 waves while we were in this region, so I wanted one more, okay? And we got that last wave, okay? And why? So now we all know that counting Elliott waves during a move is challenging. However, there are certain things that you can use as confirmation for your count. So if you're looking specifically at whether or not something is a reversal, here is the confirmation that it is at least a reversal of the wave that you just printed. So if this is a final wave here, right here, we see that the reversal retraced almost the entirety of that wave. Furthermore, reversals usually target the fourth wave of the larger move. So here we dropped about 5%. Now the reversal gave you about the same, and it targeted that fourth wave. So in my book, according to my experience, this is a legitimate reversal. You have, once again, your A wave, your B wave that recently printed, and now you're going to get a minuscule flat correction, an A, B, C, okay? And one thing that I like to say is that the safest way, and I have a video on this, but the safest way to enter a long position, okay? When I say safest, it means the most prudent, waiting for confirmations. At the same time, you're still taking some risk, so you're getting in at a good price, is to wait for this A wave, okay? All reversals have this anatomy. Wait for the B wave, and then your flat correction C wave, and the pullback of this C wave, okay? That would be the ideal entry point, because then you can put your stops at the 618. If this is indeed an impulse, it cannot retrace beyond the 618, right? We know that. So that's what I'm seeing, okay, in Bitcoin. And we're on the 15-minute time frame, by the way, but we have to go on small time frames to see the larger move. But zooming out for just a moment, we see that Bitcoin has, so the question is, some people are saying it's possible, and obviously everything's on the table when you're doing analysis. It's possible that we break this region, okay? Everything's possible, but it's improbable. One of the main reasons it's improbable is because we have 5 waves. Once you count 5 waves, a trend is exhausted. That's number one. Number two, we've had a wick to this region showing strong support, and this is only the second time we're visiting this region, okay? So it's very likely that this count of A, B, so this is A of B, this is B of B, and this is the impulsive C of B, right? And that we get this. Finally, our fully impulsive wave 258, okay? And we can look laterally in other assets in the market to confirm this analysis, right? For instance, VRA, as many of you know, is a bag I'm still holding. I've been holding this. I've been looking for an exit, you know, because in accordance with my larger analysis that we're going down way, way, way down below 10K, I'm looking for an exit, a good exit point, and I've been holding and waiting for this. And in VRA, I also see an A wave, a B wave, a large B wave with an impulse. See, that's the impulse that we've just had. And we can count this impulse. We can count 5 waves here. And my count on this roughly is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 5 is down here. Okay. So this is what I'm seeing in VRA, and I believe that we're also seeing the same thing in something like Litecoin. All right. So we go to Litecoin. We see something similar, right? I've already drawn these waves out. Once again, A wave, a large B wave with an impulse, right? That we're in, or that we just completed rather. And this pivot that you can see right here, if we zoom in, you've completed your 5 waves down. Now you have an A wave, a B wave, and an A, B, C. Okay, so zooming in on Litecoin, actually, going on the 15-minute time frame, we can clearly see those 3 waves of the reversal. We can see our A wave, our B wave, and our little pivot, our flat pivot, and C, and this is a correction of that. So this is a 2-wave correction. So this is an optimal entry. So we're at the point of optimal entry. You see, it just kissed off of the 618. We're at the point of optimal entry for Chainlink, or sorry, for Litecoin, and I'm kind of getting ahead of myself. But you look at Chainlink, you see something similar. Chainlink, larger time frame. We see actually, let's go on the hourly time frame. We see our A wave. We see a large B wave, A of B, B of B, and C of B. Difference with Chainlink as difference with Chainlink and most of the market is that this C wave was a running flat, meaning this C wave ended above the endpoint of the A wave of B. Okay, so typically you would have seen this C wave come down here at least, or if not beyond that point. Chainlink is front running the market as the C wave ended above that, and it already started its one wave out of this large accumulation range. Okay, and what we're getting with Chainlink is we already printed that first wave, and the A, B, C correction of that first wave. Okay, so if you take the fibs, you'll see that it respected also the 618, right? You see that? So we printed a first wave in Chainlink and then a correction, an ABC correction, and now we're already in the first wave out, meaning the first of wave 3, the first wave of wave 3. So this is what I'm seeing on the market. This is what I'm seeing with Bitcoin. This is why I'm saying it's time to go long. Okay, what are our targets? We can talk about that tomorrow or another time, but these are relatively long-term trades, a few days at least, because as I've been saying, I believe that the target for Bitcoin is about 58K in that region. So Chainlink, I expect to go it's actually completing its B wave. So I expect Chainlink to run about 60%. Okay. So this is what I'm seeing. Hope this is helpful. Hope this is useful. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.